Saram all. Today's video is on Semiya upma. We say that food is God and we are not supposed to waste the food. My humble pranams to all the mothers who cook daily for their family members. Your kids want a new taste and you want them to have nutrients in it. My veg Semiya upma satisfy this requirement. Let's start the video. The ingredients are onion, chili, potato, cabbage, capsicum, carrot, cauliflower, beans, curry leaves, coriander leaves, tomato, palak, Malaysian spinach and the roasted semiya. All the veggies are good for health. Spinach has good amount of iron and calcium. Use them frequently in your food items. Let's start the process. Take 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, chana dal, groundnuts and fry them well. After frying, add onions and chili pieces. Fry them well and go on adding all the veggies one by one. Cabbage, carrot, fry it, then add all the other vegetables. And now add salt to taste. Fry it well. Then I added all the leaves we have. Fry them well. It has very good aroma and very good color in it. That's very nice and I love to see this. And now I add this 1 to 3 fried rice masala. It's very tasty to have, and after that fry it for some time and add 4 cups of water as I have taken 2 cups of semiya. This is very important. Check the water for salt. If it is not sufficient, put a little more and boil it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the water is boiling and you can add the semiya, roasted semiya. Mix it well and close the lid, simmer it. After 5 minutes of cooking, open the lid and see your semiya is ready. It is very colorful and it is full of vegetables, and serve it hot. It will be very yummy and good taste. Yeah, you can have the veggie semiya. Thanks for watching. Don't waste the food, and while cooking, chant the name of God. It gives good thoughts to your children and make them the good citizens of the country. Bless them with good food. Enjoy the life given by God. Please share your experience of making good food in the comment section. And advance thanks for subscribing my channel. I will definitely share more videos on food, education and my garden. Thank you once again.